Hello guys, welcome to this 10,000 pesos gaming PC build. So this PC build is targeting esports gamers on a budget and also for work from home and online class. So without further ado, start na natin tong build na to. Konting disclaimer lang, most of the crucial parts of build na to ay second hand and the prices may vary from other sellers. So starting off with the processor, I went for the i3 2100 second gen processor. This CPU is a dual-core processor with hyper-threading, which basically means na may 4 logical cores ito. So, babasahin siya ng Windows as quad-core. So, ito yung pinili ko na processor since cheap ito and yung 2 cores hyper-threading is maybe the minimum of our today's standards. Well, 4 cores talaga yung minimum pero babasahin naman siya ng Windows as 4 cores. So, okay lang siya. So, and kahit luma na ito, it still runs well naman to this day. And sa marketplace, around 500 to 700 siya. So motherboard naman, any LGA 1155 motherboard will do. Simple as that. Meron ako nakita sa Tipid PC na 11 lang. And for the RAM naman, I'd go for 8GB of RAM since ito yung minimum. And anything na mas mababa dito, mag-struggle sa ibang games, mag-stutter to pag mas mababa sa 8. So sa marketplace may nakita ako 550 na one stick of 4 gigs. So, dalawang 4 gigabytes is equals to 8. And, so, 550 times 2 is 11. So, makakuha kayo ng mga ganito for around 11 din. And note din, DDR3 yung kailangan natin and anything na hindi DDR3, hindi compatible sa motherboard nyo. So, the heart of this build, and since targeted itong build sa esports gamers lang, need natin ng GPU or video card. And ang napili ko dito is GTX 750 Ti. And yes, I know hirap ang video card na ito sa ibang modern AAA titles such as Cyberpunk and Red Dead Redemption 2. But para sa esports games such as Valorant, Dota 2, CSGO, League of Legends, okay na okay lang to sa budget natin. And actually, ito rin yung GPU na gamit ko ngayon and nakaka-stream pa ako. And if you want to check kung running well naman yung GPU na to, you can check the description below and pa-follow na rin ng page ko. Joke lang. And ang price ng GPU na to na second hand is 3,000 to 3,500 pesos. So moving on to our storage, pinili ko ang A-Data 240GB SSD. 240GB yung pinili ko sa build na to dahil walang hard drive tong build na to. So dito nyo lalagay OS games, movies, or kung ano man lalagay nyo. Alam ko maliit yung 240GB pero pwede naman kayo magdagdag na hard drive later on. Which speaking of hard drive, may naglagay pa rin ako pero optional lang to kung kasi di kasya sa budget natin na 10k. Itong 1TB hard drive sa marketplace for only 1,000 pesos. Sa case naman, any ATX or micro ATX case will do. Pero sa build na to, para lang may malagay tayo, I went for the Rack and Nyag micro ATX case. Ito yung gamit kong case for now and so far so good naman. Yung airflow okay naman and wala pa naman ako problema. Sa power supply naman, ito hindi ko pwedeng tipirin to. So I went for the Silverstone 500 watts 80 plus power supply. And parang awa nyo na guys, huwag kayong bibili ng true rated dahil marketing lang yan. Ang true rated ay generic lang na power supply with 6-pin cables para sa mga hungry powered na GPU. And so, recommend ko lagi 80 plus 35 yung kunin nyo na power supply. Kahit medyo may kamahalan to. So, tapos na tayo. So, the total price of this build is 10,694 pesos. Ililink ko rin yung benchmark sa baba, sa description box. Disclaimer lang, hindi ko binil tong PC na to with these specs. But, andito pa rin yung link ng benchmark sa baba. So, yun lang. Bye-bye.